Oh, wow.
Well, I just hope they're safe and like no one's. No, but see the white car? Hey, see there's something like floating there.
Yeah, there's something floating.
There's,
They must have gone up.
you think
Because the
so?
one in the red car, you can see the out already.
The back, but the white one,
The white one,
there's no doors open.
sealed.
Okay guys, this is the Tongaat River. It is absolutely pumping out of this river at the moment. I've never seen this river like this in all my life. You can actually see that the water level has dropped some from where it was. If you go up into the bush there, you can actually see where the water level was lying. This river has been pumping. Then the M4 bridge over the Tongaat River, you can see that there's a slight little problem there. It seems like the bridge has cracked him off.
As you can see, this is the N2 to Port Shepstone, into southbound. Totally closed. You've got containers absolutely blocking the road. There's no way anyone can go in and out south to move up and down between Tokyo or Durban Central. Everything is closed up.
Guys, this is the situation. This one used to be an N2. It's full of water. It's full of containers. This is N2 opposite CTM Old Airport. This is the bridge. Whoever wishes to use N2, you can't reach. You can't go anywhere. It's full of containers. You can't even see the road.
Siata Logistics, building washed away, trucks in the water, boys going down. Bad road washed away, too much water coming through. Both sides, completely shoelaced.
They always asking if I'm Indian, cause I don't have the accent. Some people call me Braino. Waistline, I'm shorty blacked it. I was popping back then, bigger with the flash then. Now we going viral, but